You guys, that was a manatee.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we are here in Marco Island and we've got a very special treat for you because we are going to explore the dome homes on our jet skis. So if you want to stick around, check it out, then come along. So let's go.
What boat ramp are we at?
We are at the Goodland Park boat ramp.
Right.
It is a public boat ramp. There is a fee to pay to park. I believe it's $5. We're gonna go check that.
All right, cool. Okay, we almost ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Go. All right, pay to park first. As well.
I would just like the record to reflect. I'm ready to go. Specifically, he's waiting on me to get ready. So, okay. It's fine.
Parking is $8.
$8 for parking. That's all day?
Yep.
All right.
Well, until they close at 8, I believe.
Okay, till 8 p.m. Okay. It is 10 to 11 right now. 5 to 11 right now. So yeah, let's get these guys in the water. All right, guys. So yeah, like Lewis said, we are at Marco Island. We are going to head over to the dome houses and we will show you guys exactly what those look like. It's actually pretty interesting and I'll have Lewis tell you the story about it because he knows more about it than I do. We were actually here, I think, right around New Year's Eve in 2019 to 2020. Or no, sorry, 2020 to 2021. And it was super cool. There wasn't hardly anybody here and we found like this really cool like lagoon thing. So we're going to hopefully be able to find that island again, fingers crossed, that little lagoon section. It was really a cool place to kind of just to sit and hang out for a few minutes and not have to be on the ski. And then, yeah, so we're super excited to be here, like I already said. It does seem to be like a pretty high tide today, so Lewis hardly had to like get back the truck up at all. So we are almost ready. He just parked the truck, he'll jump on his ski, and then we will get to going. So stick with us. Hopefully we'll see some dolphins. Maybe we'll see some other cool fish. So yeah, more to come. And there's Lewis's ski. He just parked. He should be joining us momentarily. And you guys, that was a manatee. That was a manatee. Oh my gosh, I heard it breathe and then I saw it pop up. So hopefully maybe we'll see some manatees. I hope I caught that. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Lewis isn't gonna believe me when I tell him I see a manatee. So yeah, red tide is still a thing around the Tampa Bay area. So we came south. Wow, that was so cool. Alright guys, so Lewis is putting his fenders away and we are going to get ready to go in just any second. Yeah, that manatee was so cool. I haven't seen one in a long time. So yeah, maybe they are more prevalent here in the South during the summer. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, so we're going to head out and we'll see you guys along with us. And hopefully we'll be able to get some drone footage today, which I'm excited about. And maybe we'll see some more wildlife. So let's go. Getting like Lewis with the finger. What's that? What's that? I mean, really.
All right guys, so these are the dome homes. It's really actually only one home. It was built by I think a millionaire. Obviously it's stupid expensive, back in the 1970s or so, a while back. And the whole beach, this used to be on land, so the land is now way over there. The whole beach that this thing was sitting on has eroded and now they are just out here in the water and they're slowly falling apart. I think there were 6 of these domes originally. Now you can see there's only 4. You know, I think there's talk about another one falling over here soon, or maybe one recently fell. I'm not entirely sure, but still pretty neat. Cool place to check out the jet skis. Instagram photos are bananas. The birds really love it too. I remember last time we were here, we went on the other side of it and it smelled like the penguins at the zoo. So be aware of that. But we're gonna go over there and see if we can get a little bit closer look.
Alright guys, so here we are. Here are the dome houses. It's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of pelicans around here and people do fish around here. So yeah, it's a little high tide today whenever we're here so we're gonna head out. But super cool to see these, and I'm sure Lewis gave you guys all of the fun facts about the dome houses. So yeah, pretty cool to see. Definitely like coming out here on the jet skis, seeing the pelicans, and seeing what kind of fish we can see. We were thinking about snorkeling here, but because there's a couple of boats that are fishing, probably not the best idea. And plus, we do need to get, I think Lewis said, diving flags. So maybe next time. But yeah, we think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool, but they are unstable. So if you do want to check them out, you better probably get here within the next few years, maybe. Who knows how long these things are going to last, because they do fall regularly. I know they've already lost a few. I'm not sure how many there were originally. I think it was 6, but you can see now we're down to 4, and they're not going to last forever, that's for sure. And in case you guys didn't know, Joey was here. So hi, Joey.
All right, y'all. Lewis got jokes. So we're parked here at this little island. We're gonna take the drone up in a second. But without fail, he's just like, no, listen, honey, don't forget your key when you get off the jet ski, because remember what happened the last time. It's right here, bro. It's right here. Video proof. He's funny. All right, guys. So Lewis is gonna take the drone up. As we were parking at this island, what we noticed right here, there are some of those containers for the turtles. So it looks like turtles have laid eggs here potentially, and we see a couple of them on the beach. So we are not going to mess with those. We're going to be very careful to not disturb anything that's going on there, and yeah, just enjoy nature for what it is. You guys can see right there, that's where the dome houses were. That's where Lewis and I were talking about the history of that, and maybe one day we'll come back and we'll snorkel here. We do have our snorkeling equipment with us, but because there's fishing and we don't have our dive flags, we're going to be smart and, well, maybe not smart, but be conscientious, let's say that, and make sure that, you know, we're not going to do anything that could hurt us or get anybody in any kind of, you know, dangerous situation. So, all right, so we will input that drone footage right now.
All right, guys, so we're going to launch the drone here and hopefully get some cool footage for you.
Bye, Sparky! You gonna catch it or what? Watch your hands. Good job, honey.
There we go.
It's like you've done this before. Guys, we just saw some dolphins right over here, so hopefully they'll pop up again. And then check it. Maybe not. Alright guys, that was the lagoon island that I was telling y'all about earlier, but apparently during this time of the year, it is a wildlife sanctuary, and I think that has to do because of turtle nesting season. So maybe when it's, you know, not, you know, that time of the year for turtles to hatch and lay their eggs, or lay their eggs and hatch, maybe we can check it out again. So yeah, kind of a bummer for today, but hey, you know, gotta do what we can for the turtles. All right guys, so we are heading back. Oh, well, I guess we're not heading back. We are heading towards Take 2. We're heading to Marco Island. Unfortunately, we can't swim here, so we're going to head on over to maybe a new beach and see what we can find there. So, Speedy Boy is already gone. Gotta catch up. All right, y'all. It's a very windy day. I was facing the other direction about 4 seconds ago. But here we are. We're in this little, I'm gonna call it an inlet for lack of a different term, because we can get in from the Gulf over there, but it's not very deep. I don't know if you can get a boat through here, and it is high tide right now, so probably during low tide you probably couldn't do it, but it is so pretty back here. However, I'm pretty sure, honey, this is where like the crocodiles live, so yeah.
You think so?
I think so. I think this is like the farthest north the crocodiles are. All right, so what did we learn about the crocodiles?
Well, the map says they could possibly be here.
possibly or yes, definitely? I'm gonna say could possibly is the new yes, definitely.
Yeah, yes, definitely.
Because that means I'm right. Just saw some dolphins. Trying to pick them up again. Alright guys, so Lewis just said he saw, whoop, I'm sorry, tip over. Lewis just said he saw dolphins jump out of the water, so we're gonna be on the lookout. See if we can see anything else.
I've never seen anything like that outside of Sea. I mean, this thing must have been 8-10 feet out of the air.
Are you serious? Oh my
Like its head, I mean, the whole body was out of the water a good 3 feet.
I know I say this like every time we see dolphins, but it never gets any less cool seeing these guys in the wild. I mean, I'm at a level 10 every time I see them. Any kind of wildlife, like manatees, excited to see. Just anything in the wild is pretty cool. So we have stopped here on this really cute little sandbar thing. I'm not gonna call it a sandbar, we're gonna call it a shell bar because those are all shells. But in the background you can see Marco Island, and in the foreground you can see Lewis.
Where did the fish go to get a drink?
Where?
To the sandbar.
Oh my god, why didn't I, y'all, my husband. So honey. Oh no, what just happened?
My pineapple sprung a leak. We got a hole in it. After I blew it up, it was sinking, so only one pineapple today.
Yeah. I got my pineapple, and I'll share, because I'm a nice wife.
Yeah, we can switch.
Yeah.
Look out, 5-0's coming to get you.
Hello, police. We are law-abiding citizens. Thank you much.
Shit, I heard about this rebel before. She's going too fast.
I get one warning. That's it.
We're in the database.
I know. Hey, but I will link the video down below when I got pulled over by the sheriff's department on my jet ski. That was interesting for sure. So, alright guys, so we're in the water. We're gonna hang out. Poor Lewis. I don't know what you're gonna do, but
Well, you know, we can still swim around or lay on the beach.
yeah, snorkel.
The main goal of this stop is to eat lunch.
Oh, okay.
So that's gonna happen.
Where's all the little fish? I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's one right there. How's lunch?
Wawa subs.
Yeah.
Lunch of champions.
Alright, I keep hearing something splash over there and it's freaking me out. I'm gonna say it's a fish, but it's a big old fish. Typically fish don't make a lot of noise.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for jet skiing on Marco Island. I would say number one is wear shoes. Everything is very shelly out here. Don't cut your feet. Wear water shoes. Alright, number two is when you do go to the dome houses, don't get too close because there is a lot of debris around the house in the water and you don't want to run into that. And number three, sunscreen is your friend. Every time we go out here in Florida, you're going to spend all day out here, get in the water, you're going to get washed away, reapply. Or maybe get one of those rash guards. Christine's got a long sleeve one, I got a short sleeve one, but I think I want to get a long sleeve one sometime soon. So, those are your pro tips for jet skiing on Marco Island.
Alright guys, we are leaving the Shelly Beach and we're gonna head back to the truck. Hopefully we'll see some cool things between here and there and we'll let you guys know what we find. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're back at the boat dock. Lewis is going to go grab the truck and we're going to get these skis back on the trailer. But yeah, it was a really awesome day. We saw plenty of dolphins, so many fish, tons of, well not tons, a couple manatees, and yeah, I really can't complain. So all in all, great day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like more of these, comment down below, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, so we know to keep doing things like this and showing you the waterways of Florida. All right, so let's go. Your final tips whenever you are loading a jet ski onto a trailer? Some pseudo pro tips? Not pseudo pro tips, they're still pro tips. Some bonus pro tips?
I think the biggest one is just be courteous. Don't take more time at the ramp than you need to.
Yeah.
You know, be quick and efficient. And don't load your gear. Don't prep your boat. Don't unprep your boat. There's a staging area for all that.
Yeah. So use the boat to literally just launch or retrieve. Use the staging area for like everything else. Like, we're not going to waste time throwing those fenders in. We're actually just going to get the heck out of the way. So
move out of the way, and then we'll get the ratchet straps on and clean it up and all that.
Yeah. So we have been to this boat ramp before. It was, like I said, I think earlier, like end of December, start of January. And I know the inside, like where the bait shop is, closes at 2 o'clock, but I wonder if the bathrooms are open. I wonder if I can rinse off, because that would be really nice. Because we have a 3-hour drive back to Tampa, and I don't want to, you know, be salty. So maybe, we'll see. All right, and then there he goes. That's, I guess, you know, just out of the way because, okay, so how this works is you pull in over there by the fence, you come around, you typically on the other side of the strip here, do your staging there, you whip it around, that's the boat ramp, you launch your boat, and then you pull forward. So once you retrieve your boat, you pull forward and you clean it up, do whatever you have to do over here, or you pull farther to the right where there is some more parking availability.
All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for us today here in Marco Island at Goodland Boat Ramp. We're going to pack on up and get on out of here. So we'll see you next weekend. Who floats on a pineapple out in the sea? I do, it's my pineapple.
That was my pineapple.
Commandeered it.
Oh, okay.